It's another extremely hectic day for me. My family's coming to visit tomorrow, and I need to get the house in some sort of presentable, you know what I'm saying, state. So I have to do cardio. Like, I have to do cardio. I worked out a little bit yesterday. Like, I did some running. So we'll see how my run goes today. I might end up just walking because my leg feels a little strange. But after that, I have an appointment at 9 to fix my broken nail. Let me go into the light. This nail is broken. I changed the shape. I prefer square shape, but I kept breaking the corners. So I tried this shape. This nail cracked like literally the first day after I got it done. And then this nail, sorry, this one right here, it's like a different shape than the rest of the nails. I don't know if you can tell. So I need them to fix that. Let's see if you can tell. Stop focusing on me. But yeah, that appointment's at 9, and then I have a wax appointment at 10:30, and then the rest of my day will be spent like cleaning the house. I already started cleaning yesterday, but there's a lot to go. Like, we have a lot of junk. Like, I need to slowly start purging all of this unnecessary crap that we have. But yeah, I gotta clean my desk too. This is my daughter's playroom. Yeah, she's spoiled. This, I mean, I could just tidy it up, but I don't really clean it because later on today she's just gonna mess it up again. So it's kind of like a cycle there. So I just tidy it up. I don't usually clean it, but I do need to clean my desk. And then the room where they're going to be staying is an absolute junkyard. It's like our overflow room for extra stuff. Yeah, it's awful. I try not to work myself up too much about this because it is what it is. The house isn't going to be like perfectly clean, but there's going to be a space for them to stay in. They don't have to pay for a hotel. So well, I'm going to get ready for my run. I'm actually running late. I kept hitting the snooze this morning. I had to work this weekend, so I worked like 7 days in a row. Didn't really get any. Well, today I did sleep in basically. I woke up at 5:45. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and do some cardio. And then let's see how much time I have left before I have to go to my appointment. I do need to drop off recyclables. It's kind of making my house look messy. So my like non-negotiable to-do list today is I need to go run. Preferably 2 miles, but 1 mile is my minimum. Run, fix my nails, wax appointment. I need to return some extra clothes to Ross. I need to pick up some more forks. Let me see if my daughter needs any wipes. I might have to take a trip to Target. She is okay on wipes. We have plenty of paper towels. We have plenty of bathroom tissue. I think we have plenty of water. We have plenty of water. So all I need to do is run. Nail appointment. Turn in recycles, which I need to turn in recycles before my nail appointment because I don't want to go back over to where the recycling place is. And so you guys can't even see me. So run, recycling, nails, Ross, wax, Target, finish cleaning. Okay, let's see if I can get all of that done. So I ended up running late, so I'm not able to drop off my recycling right now. I'm gonna have to double back and do that later. I really don't like doubling back, but it is what it is. I cannot be late to my appointment. So I'm about to go get my nails fixed, and then after that I have a wax appointment at 10:30. Luckily, I have enough time in between my appointments to drop this off to Ross. I do need to return this. So that just adds another thing that I have to do. So my new to-do list is going to be nails, Ross, wax. On my way back, I need to go to Target and get some forks. And I just noticed that my husband's like running out of toothpaste. So I need to do that. I need to stop by my job because I left something there. So while I'm there, I'll get lunch, come back home. Then I have to go back and drop off my recycling, and then I can finish cleaning. Luckily, I did a lot of my cleaning yesterday, so I just have to do a few touch-ups here and there. But still, it's going to be a jam-packed day, and this is usually how my days off go. It's not relaxing in the slightest. I have to get everything done because I work from 6 to 3:30. What am I going to do before 6, errand-wise, and what am I going to do after 3:30? I have to pick up my daughter from daycare right after work, so you know, it's just the life of a parent, and that is the life of individuals who work basic traditional like 9-to-5 jobs. So not complaining, it just is what it is. So let's head off to my nail appointment, and hopefully I will not be late. So I don't know if you can tell better now that this nail right here, all my other nails are almond shaped, and then this one is like oval shaped or something. So they need to fix this. Yeah. Anywho, I'm gonna go get my nails done and then come back and go to my next errand. Okay, so my nails fixed. What's this one? So there it is. And then this one, I guess it was too short. Oh, sorry, I gotta put this on. I don't want to copyright, but what the tech was saying, that this nail was, I guess, too short. Because I have overlays, I don't have tips on. So it was too short to make the correct shape. So as it grows out more, the shape will be able to match the others. I actually think I might go oval next time. I don't really like this shape because it's like, I don't know, I just don't really favor this shape. But I'll try it out for another week and see how that goes. So it's about 9:30. So my appointment isn't until 10:30, so I have like 40 minutes or so to do what else I need to do. Sorry, I'm texting my husband. He wants me to send him the address to the recycling place he's gonna go for me. And I also have not eaten yet today. I always do that to myself on my days off. I don't know what the deal is. Alright, just gotta send this to him and then I can be on my merry way. I don't need the address of the next place I'm going to. I go there so much, I know how to get there. Make sure he got it. Okay, he got it. So, alright, the next stop is Ross. Alright, so it's way later. It's 2 p.m. I ended up doing my wax. I went to Ross, returned some things, but bought even more things. I'll do a haul later if I remember to do so. I went over budget there. I spent like $100, which is a lot of money to be spending like at Ross kind of for no reason. And then I went to Target. I got my forks and toothpaste. At least at the moment, I don't remember if I was supposed to pick up something else. I need to start making like an actual to-do list when I go out. So my husband, I came back home. My husband didn't take the recycle yet, so I have to take cardboard to the recycling center as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it because he will wait till the last minute and it annoys me. So I'm gonna go do take the recycling, take the cardboard, and then I have to go to the dump to dump some things. And then by the time that happens, it's probably going to be time for me to pick up my daughter from daycare. So yeah, once I get back home, I will do a haul. Oh my gosh, I can't talk, so I can show you guys everything that I purchased. But for right now, I am still on my errand run, I guess you could say. So I'm going to get back to that. Okay, so I am basically done cleaning. I'm done with all my errands now. I just have a few last minute here and there things to do, but I'm gonna show you what I got from Ross. So tomorrow I'm actually going paddleboarding for the first time. So with coworkers, so I need like a conservative swimsuit. So I got this top from Ross. This is kind of like a crop top on me, but it's still cute and it matches my Skims bottoms that I bought. So this will cover up my body parts. And it actually, like, it's a little bit off, but it matches pretty well. So I'm happy about that. And then, oh, this is the other top to the Skims swimsuit, but I don't want to wear this one. I'm gonna wear this one instead. And then I got these leggings. They just caught my eye, and I work out quite a bit, so I think these are cute. They were $9.99. Then I saw these earrings. They caught my eye. They're from Aldo. They were $7.99. They seem like they're pretty good quality, but the shape is like different, and I don't have anything like this, so I just couldn't leave them in the store. Then I got these shoes. I don't have any like tan shoes for certain things that I wear. The brand is B-Spirit, and they were $17.99. So these are cute for when I'm wearing something that calls for a tan shoe, because I don't have any. And then Ulta's like next door, so I got this. This is the only facial cleanser I use. I was running out, so I got a new one. I got this Lips chopstick in mint. Just wanted to try it. My lips have been so dry lately, so I'm trying to see if this will keep my lips moisturized. It's got a regular black eyeliner pencil. And I got the REM Beauty lengthening mascara. I already have the volume one and it works pretty good, but I wanted to try this one. It's sold out, but they had it today, so I got it. So that's it. Okay. So we North Shore.
Where in North Shore? You don't know? You just want to go to North Shore?
Yeah. So we are at Dole Plantation. We're just here for ice cream. I'm vlogging. It's really busy. We lucked out and got a parking space right in front of the entryway. But everyone else has to go over there. So yeah, we're not going to do any of the attractions or anything. We're just going to get ice cream and then go to North Shore to get food trucks. Food truck food. Got our ice cream. Hubby's eating it. What do you think?
It's really good.
It is very delicious. It was worth the wait. Geez, that line was so long.
Yeah.
We were just sitting out here. There's like a patio in back of the store. So people are just out here eating. The train is up there. We're not doing the train because that wait can be like up to an hour. So we're just out here eating our pineapple, and then after this we're going to go to North Shore.
You ran to the west side, and though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know you don't wanna burn bridges, but as time moves on, you slipping away.
So now we are on the North Shore. Yeah, it's a long way to the beach, so we probably actually won't go over there. I'm with my parents, and I doubt they're gonna want to walk through all that. So that's just a small part of one of the beach parks. This is the view. This is kind of like the edge. It's my nephew. Yeah, it's really peaceful out here. It's really nice. We came a little bit too late, so we're not actually going to get out and get in the water or anything. It's almost, well, it's after 2. But yeah, we have to get back and get some stuff done around the house.